Hi, I'm Jason Buck. I work with Remax Estate Properties, and I'm at a really big view property, 6890 Vallon. 3-car garage up front, and then this gorgeous Spanish pavers as we come up into our private patio here. This is super cool. Neat spot. Wow. And there's just a huge view out the back. Really clean. Pretty. Like the Spanish pavers. Nice entrance. What a great setup. Huh. Here's our listing agent, Ed. Thanks for letting us come in. Wow, nice big vault, high. Beautiful, gorgeous floors. Big plank, looks like walnut. Is it walnut? Nice fireplace.
So originally it was 70 square feet. It's now 3,148 square feet. So this skylight section was added on, the bay windows were added on. When the 400 square foot deck was added, there was another 80 square feet added to the front.
Okay.
And then outside there was a second home space. 120 square feet.
Oh, what a neat kitchen. Maple line tile roof. Yeah, and a view from the sink. You gotta love that. Cool. Okay, so they sealed that off because this would normally come through. I like that. That's a great way to do it. You know, this works. And then on to the outside. We'll go out there in a minute. Wow, that looks fun. Love those benches. So then this is just the main play area. I like how this opens up like that. That's beautiful. And then these big pavers. It's cool.
So go around the corner. All the way down, open the garage.
Huh, that's cool that they did access here. Huh, another little children. Oh, neat. There's an extra add-on. Man cave. Truly a real man cave. It's cool. Separate trash area. This has got it all. Love these benches. This would just be ideal. Hang out. Love that. What a nice, fun spot here. Nice bedroom downstairs. So this is almost, this is gorgeous, gorgeous shower. Nice. Garage. So it is pretty much single. I mean, you got a few steps to get in. Wow. Huge view from here. Wow, this is pretty. Okay, it is Jack and Jill. Oh, geez. Looking up that way to Abalone Cove. Wow. Oh, and you get the view this way here. That's awesome. So Jack and Jill, they have a bathroom in between the two. It's nice. That's really nice. Goes back into this room. A closet on the side there. And then on into a primary. So 3 up top, 1 down below. Barn door in here, that's cool. Nice bath. Double sink. Wow. And then a deck up here. This is beautiful. Well, this would be a great spot to hang out. And looking on up the coastline or all of Catalina or beyond. So really great spot. I love it. I would be happy to talk to you about real estate in Palos Verdes. and all the different things that are happening. There's a lot of changes happening to our contracts and to the way we do business starting August 17th. Call me for more details or just have a cup of coffee and talk about real estate. Or to come see this beautiful home. It's a great spot, and I love what I do, so I'd love to share with you. Thanks a lot for watching. Make it a great day.